breath holds in general is a very, very strong, powerful, and effective exercise. And it can change our breathing and our health very fast. But it also comes with a price. And the price, it sounds positive, and yet in some cases it could be somewhat negative too. So the breath holds make our immune system very strong, our nervous system strong. They increase blood circulation and also our sensitivity. However, people who have certain health conditions should be very, very careful about breath holds. That's why I'm actually teaching breath holds in a group environment for the first time. So one of those conditions is anxiety. And if you believe that you suffer from anxiety, then you whether shouldn't do this exercise or you should choose the minimum length of the breath hold. But at least for you, it seems to me that it would be the best to choose a really, really easy number. Let's say 3 seconds, right? And just practice it in a seated position for a while and combine it with relaxation. Because for you right now, it would not be necessary and not even beneficial to do long breath holds. Your first step is to convince your body that breath holds are safe. They're okay. They're even relaxing. And to do that, you need to choose really small numbers and a very comfortable environment. So sometimes when people have just a tendency to have anxiety, doing breath holds could make anxiety much worse, or can trigger anxiety, and they also could make a person feel tired. There are several reasons for that. One is kind of increased sensitivity while doing breath holds, but another reason is a feeling of being scared and also a feeling of losing control, right? All of us, probably, I assume, were taught as children that if we stop breathing, we will die. To stop breathing is very dangerous, and it's engraved in us. So that sensation, that sense of panic could just kick in and make anxiety much worse. So Phyllis, please be very careful with breath holds.